Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be breaking down Python's enumerate function. This is a super handy function whenever you have a list that you want to number. So today we're going to be looking at using this function in the example of creating a music player list. So traditionally, you would want to loop through a song list, maintain a counter variable, and build the numbered list. But the enumerate function iterates through the list and provides both the song's position, the index, and title in each loop, eliminating the need for manual counting. So we'll see this in action with our code. So imagine you have a list of songs, which we have in the songs list. The enumerate function is used in a for loop to iterate through the list. We unpack the enumerate object, getting the current song's index and title. We then print the song title with its corresponding number, starting from 1. This code demonstrates how enumerate keeps the logic concise and avoids needing to use a separate counter variable where you would probably be doing +1 each time you loop through the list to keep track of what index you're on. So next time you're building a numbered list in Python, remember the power of enumerate for iterating through iterables and managing indexes. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and leave a comment letting me know what topic I should cover next.